joking. Honestly, I don't care. If you want me to babysit tonight, you'll get your butt back over here.
Nice.
How often is it that we're all round a table together? Is this too much to ask for?
Oh, not again. The smoke alarm, she always sets ours off. Faith, what happened?
Nothing. It's them flaming things. They're too sensitive.
What actually happened?
The birds are a little well done.
Well done.
Well, if we scrape off the burnt bits, it'll be OK.
It's practically charcoal. We can't eat that. It's carcinogenic.
Of course it is. I mean, why wouldn't it be?
Faith! Faith!
Faith, I think you've killed it.
Good. Then that would be another thing that I've messed up, won't it?